Oh, these motherfuckers didn't answer me. What is that? Oh.
Ada's up 13.
I was getting the. Am I sending it to you?
Do I not have enough data?
Try this, Vlad. If you are you streaming the application or screen?
Application.
Application.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can put on a screen though.
Well, I sent you this. Check your DM,
Let's
and
see.
then you can log in,
perfect.
and then you have panels, and then like you can adjust. It's sort of. I think it will fit like where this thing is.
Perfect.
And whatever you can put a ticker and it gives you like the latest news. It's just one user, like it's gonna, it might say, oh, you're logged in somewhere else or whatever. This is fine. It won't let you. It won't let you. Same with no, but Market Chameleon doesn't bother you really. But Market Chameleon has a bunch of good things with the.
Oh, that's cool as fuck.
Yeah, so it's gonna load up, and then like automatically it's gonna, I think, open up 3 little windows of like news.
Yeah.
But like you can add those later. But then that comes like you can delete the tick, because that's the last settings I had in there. But like you can delete whatever ticker you put in there. It's like 3 different sorts of news. It has a bunch of panels. You can like.
Okay.
And then like you tap it, and then you gotta drag it. It's sort of like on purpose fucking it's like janky. But the data has its life.
So the news is only for certain tickers that have been set in here? Is that right?
What did you say?
The news is only for certain tickers that have been put in here. Is that right?
If it's
Or is it just generic news?
It's like whatever you look up. If you tap on a watch list or something,
Yeah.
I think it automatically puts the ticker and the 3 news.
Okay.
And if you just get rid of the tags that is the thing, I think it just shows streaming news or something. And then crypto's going nuts. Yesterday it was like I lost $2.5 billion back today.
put it? Like that.
I mean, I'm just getting some coffee.
Okay. Oh, you can't see that at all.
In coach and his. Oh, look at this. Did you just send me some shit? I was just gonna say in coach is timing when nothing's going on. He's here. Yeah, I just saw the notification. I don't know what it is. It's so great. They're gonna make people deposit crypto and then not crypto. That's great.
Classic.
Yeah, because this guy was complaining because he was like, "Oh, I was talking to my, huh? I don't know. You know more than me. I just saw the fucking notification." But this guy was saying like, "Oh, I was explaining, where I was asking my kid, oh Tom, I think no, because he wouldn't. Someone was like, oh my kid, whatever," and I was like, "Where are you gonna get your crypto?" And they're like, "Robinhood." Like they don't give a shit about the keys or like, it's just
another bucket.
go up or not, yeah. Like this thing that that's sort of our generation. It's like keys or whatever.
Yeah.
The app gave me notification. What is this? We charge.
I mean, they're gonna
create crypto. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Jesus, bro.
And they're gonna sell your data, right? Like they're gonna make money off you somehow. If they don't charge you one way, they're gonna charge you another.
Anus, because they're anus. Okay. I don't even own shares, man. They jump off fucking. No. Yeah, no, I'm in it, man. You go to them now and be like, hey, you remember you motherfucking ones? No. Okay. And they fucked me. And then the one time I fucked them, you were gonna fucking snitch on me. I was in everything before I met your bitch ass. Okay, I had every angle covered, bitch. Okay, look at the crypto. Every angle covered, bro. BitPay, coin. Got it. Don't even start, huh? You were trying to protect me? Oh, see. That's why you want to have a meeting private, bro. Two shots back of that. Yeah, me and Incoach go glamping, and then I come back suicided. Yeah. No, bro. Yo, I was on top, guy. I had the spreadsheets, I had models, and then, if you have your spreadsheets and your models work out, and then you get some models, bro. You see. Glamping, I know. I was telling Mystery, I'm like, yo, you should go glamping. And he's like, he didn't say anything, so I said it like 3 times. And then Moose is like, what did he say? He's like, think some gay. It was so. Moose is angry, man. He's not. Moose is cred, by the way. I know it. Yeah. Oh, you've done. Of course, you've been glamping, and probably had bedazzled your vagina. Yes. Yo, what is with why people just want to go tense, bro? We work all our lives not to be in the.
That's not true.
Want to get out of the building, get into the tents. Yo, Delaware is where
they just want to see what poverty's like, okay?
I know, yeah. Why are you? You're like the guy, the McDonald's guy. You're constantly fucking on the road, bro. I'm here, I'm over there. What is this? Oh, high-end option. Whoa. Of course. High-end options. Go where the Arabs are and try the high-end options, bro. Okay. You know what's my favorite thing in Coach? I go tell. Yo, this bitch. Yo, she's so annoying, man. I fucking hate this guy. No, but like, you know what's that? You go tell Kobe. You notice how this fucking Gainesy's like an asshole. He's like, why you gotta come here? And then the next day, he realizes I'm right, and then like does my work for him. But then I have no account to go like yo. How did the she was like she was like a willing participant of a Me Too, right? She was like 11 or something, and the guy she's gone to no school. Yeah. These French Canadians is just a whole different, bro. If Texas was speaking Spanish and it'd be less weird. To be in Canada and speak French and then like have your own thing and then constantly want to get out. You know why Canada has 2 languages? Because they fucking bombed a bunch of theaters and they were like, fuck that. We'll say French too. Fuck it.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
Yeah, really, man. Like if the reason there's 2, like on the plane or whatever, they say 2 languages.
Yeah.
It was one of the demands of the Quebec people. Quebec people had like terrorists. They blew up theaters, and then they were like, "What do you want?" And they were like, a bunch of demands, and one of them was that. And they were like, "Okay." Because like with the Canadians, what are they gonna do? They're gonna let's go bomb Quebec.
Jesus.
But they got hot bitches, bro. Yeah. And Coach, let me draw your tits, bro. Let me be your jack. No bullshit. I'll be under the sea. You're drowning at the end of this, okay? Sorry. Yo, Jared's on Marcus' nerves. We gotta get Jared to talk about the dominance Marcus gonna blow up.
Is Jared on here? Get him on.
He's probably at work.
It's probably short spy.
Tag him.
I'm short spy. Fuck. What's going on?
Oh yeah.
What? For some reason, Mom1GS doesn't like the crypto cap total.
Who doesn't?
The Mom1GS, one of its
yes. That's because back then, like that, because the color of the fucking thing.
Yeah.
If you get to the direction line, it's fine. The direction line, there is the mom, and then direction line is like supposed to be right at the edge of the mom.
Right.
But the direction line gets its color from like volatility, and there's either something with like its volume or like number of like decimal places or some shit that like fucks it up. But if you just get rid of it in the settings, then it's fine.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Like the mom part you still see.
Oh, this is daily stuff. Let's see, 4 hour. Let's take a look at the daily. It's all so correlated on the crypto market.
Yeah. Yo, is gold dumping? I was gonna go short gold. Because someone was long gold, right? It's totally was gonna.
Yeah.
Who was
I want to say Dogman or 3D God.
Right.
Yeah, for this move is coming to an end. It looks like if we get the QCV to cross down, the pop is moving down. What else? The IBC's moving up a little bit. Volatility's reasonably high. VRT still giving you non-randomness. Yeah, probably puts up a range somewhere around here and chills for a bit over 4-hour periods. Let's take a look at daily. Daily is not so hot. Daily's moving up in volatility. You got QCV cross up. You got moms moving down. R2 is expanding. R squared. You got Hearst going into trend, just crossing over.
I didn't notice your logo was there, and then I was like, oh, it's gonna go. No,
Yeah.
Figure it out. Yeah, it might be useful maybe for the open or something when news, you know.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. It will be useful. We just gotta adjust it a little bit. Yeah.
Also gotta give you the other two. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess it covers a bunch of my indicators, doesn't it?
No, I'm saying the market chameleon and then the other like maybe who does this? Oh, you know when like Tone or whoever they go on like Willy Woo's site.
Yeah.
Like, you can do that. You can go be like, oh, let's go check that shit. We should. Our site should be like Willy guy. Our site is.
Yeah. Major updates incoming to the site.
Yeah. No, Johnny has plans ready.
Perfect. Yeah, I'd be on the crypto market cap. I'd be watching this area because if the Hearst is gonna continue, if the QMZ turns back down, if QCV continues expanding, this is not a good stance. This is kind of like on the daily at least. It's not on the 4-hour. You might get some up, but it doesn't look like the daily is gonna give you follow through. Could be wrong. If we settle above here or we reverse some of these other indicators, yeah, could have a chance, but right now not looking so hot for the total market cap. I want to take a look at SPYs. Where is
Like that's the thing. There's like how did fucking Crown is it that like he had he definitely didn't pay for it. Oh, our guy. That's a
on the website. Right.
Yeah. No, he paid the producer. He paid the Chinese kid, like a little fucking 19-year-old, to produce that shit, just to piss me off. And I gotta pretend like I like it, and then he'll change it. No, but the music, like the thing that made it was like the music, the production that dude that killed himself did, and then our indicators, and then like the music in this, like it's nice to have that shit like hype before the thing.
Yeah.
And the other, like a lot of these TA retards get a lot of like DJs and shit for some reason. People just eager to making music.
Yeah.
Bro. Oh, you're already doing the psyop? No, we got to update. Where's Johnny? Well, I got to ask him. Him and what happened to that other dude? Seed? Whatever. What the fuck? What's his name? He had some shit too. Where's Johnny?
I'd be really curious to see how the week closes on SPY. I think that's going to be relatively important here. The week on SPY looks a lot better than the week on Bitcoin. But then you go into the dailies. You got VRT giving you signal. That's an extreme. What's Peloton? Peloton?
Peloton?
Yeah.
Is it dumping?
It's dumping.
Oh, maybe because
Is that the
that's
bike?
one of those. Yeah, yeah. If it's like some Rona things going on, like that pumps usually.
When everybody needs to sit at home?
Yeah, but it could have been. Well, is it some binary event coming on or something?
No, earnings are pretty far away.
By the way, do you have the reverse div S at all on your chart? That's sometimes good for range usage.
Take a look, see. Yeah, I do.
Okay, cool.
Ugh, I gotta upgrade. Actually, maybe I don't want the 50 below. Big dump for Facebook today. Down 4%.
You had your watch list out, right? We should have like because mine is all fucking crypto. I don't even know. I only have the indices open. Oh, this stuff.
Yeah, I'm looking at the Nasdaq list, and like that bike company is down 6%, and Facebook is down 4%, and Adobe's down 4%, and the rest of it is mostly up.
But the indices is sort of dumping now. What am I doing? Okay, taste. Works. So.
How useful do you find, like on the RSI Div S, like how useful are you finding the ranges? Because sometimes for me when I was trading it, sometimes it would grind the bottom and the top, and sometimes it would just tick it once, and you never really.
It's the standard error. I gotta show you. I'll show you. It has two standard error line ranges, and then the standard. So like the whole, you trade it as when it leaves the standard error, and then like if it's, you're saying like how do you know, like if it's on one side and it's like not leaving it, then it's like that's the side that it's going. But if it's leaving it, it has to leave past the standard error line, and then it's. So, right. But no, they're good. Our RS is good because we change it. It's like exponential pricing, so it's like matches with the cone and stuff.
It's really good with entropy. Man, entropy just makes everything better.
Yeah. We also like that's the case with all, like if RSI is working, it needs to be like when people go price here, like if there's not a drop in entropy, there's not predictability, then it's bullshit. And then when there's entropy, you go like, you know, anytime there's predictability, the entropy is going to be down. So like that's you would expect it to happen with RSI.
Right.
Oh, Kai's up. Kai. Oh, covered call.
Covered call relative to your laddered covered call. So for people that might be
Yeah. Where's Facebook?
What does that mean? What is that, a coin? I'm so out of it, bro.
Seed invest ME. Let's see.
Yeah. No, I have shares.
23 and
Get yeah, I bought them off of some dude. Yeah.
what, like in a dark
You know,
alley?
that's the guy's wife, right? But like you know how Google stuff, you go, hey Google or whatever.
Yeah.
That chick, that's some chick's idea, and that's who he's fucking. And then they have so much money that they can't like get a divorce, and then they'll have this whole thing with like Google's future in medicine was like all this shit, and then his wife, and then her sister is who runs YouTube, and their only qualification is that they used to, when these two were PhD students, they rented their garage, like these two chicks, and yeah, and then one of them now is the guy who made the YouTube profitable is some dude, and it's like this entire thing with YouTube. Oh, you can't say cunt or whatever. It's all after this chick.
Well, I mean, you just did.
Yeah. No, the guy who made it profitable, because YouTube is by itself is like a insanely profitable company. And
Yeah.
also, that kid also came up with I think I don't know, it's AdSense or AdWords or whatever, but like his thing is just that here. This.
What happened to FedEx?
Oh, yeah, that's it. Fuck you,
No, you can curse on Twitch, Weebos. You just can't. Like, there's terms of service where you can't call other people things, but you can still curse. Yeah.
Even in coach, but
even in coach. Bro, we're gonna get shadow banned on the first fucking day.
Yeah. I can lick you.
Yeah, you can lick the microphone, you can show your tits, but hey, as long as you have a pool in the background, yeah.
I'm gonna fat shame the microphone.
Yeah. Seriously, anyone on Twitch chat, do you guys know what happened with FedEx? Did it just die or what?
No. What, is it dumping?
Yeah, it's down 9% on the day almost. And it's like...
You just type it in that thing and it tells you. Like, that's the main purpose.
Okay, let's see.
What's going on? Just type it in and it tells you. It's
what's the ticker? FTX. Hello? Did it freeze?
This guy is pretty ugly. Ooh. Yo, I remember, man, we were well, we shouldn't talk about it on the way. But I was on top of the earnings too, coach. It's all your fault. I promise you, this was on the list of the elevated IVs. It always is, man. Remember I was telling you, like, the Kraft and the Boeing and all that shit. I caught them already.
All right. CFRA keeps strong buy opinion on shares of FedEx Corporation.
Maybe they got a. He said, is it earnings or is it maybe it's like an?
Yeah, I think it's like guidance or something. It was like updates to FY22 earnings guidance. Earnings per share of 1975 to 21.
there was a site for crypto. And it was like wide pump that like literally it's like you wanted to know why something's pumping or dumping, and it would just go there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Maybe it was a Twitter bot. I don't know.
Yeah, they cut their earnings guidance. Looks like.
By the way, what happened to Chile mentioned NFTs, and then we never heard from him again. He's probably in some bathtub somewhere with his kids with a knife, holding something.
Didn't the NFT market bleed out? I saw a chart. I don't even know how you would chart that, but
they don't have charts. They finally are like they go like you have to look at the stats. No shit, bro.
Yeah. I don't get it, man. Buying pictures, shit's crazy.
No, but I was on one of them just to see what they talk about. It was called Lazy Lions, and it's blown up. And I was like, this is no different than any of this other dumb shit. and people will come in and they go like, their thing was just like, "What's up, King?" Because they're lions, and they just they had nothing. Right? They were like, just community is just great. It's just, and then now I see it's blown up.
Right.
IB3 was making a cigar.
A buddy of mine was doing the whole like sports NFTs thing.
Who was saying all they can do is rock ball? Yeah. No, sports, yeah.
Level Louis, thanks for the sub, man. Much appreciated.
NFT and then like fractionalize.
That's
awesome.
You
know what they do? They fractionalize some shit and then they sell 49% of it. So like it doesn't matter if you own 1% or 40. Like if I own the majority,
right?
I don't really own it.
Yeah.
Mark Cuban was so excited about the NFTs too. He was like, the ticket's gonna be NFT, your drink is gonna be NFT.
Virtual drinks. All right, less than an hour till the close. Let's see. Let's look at the indices. Let's look at VIX is down 8%. Is what?
I think even SHIB is pumping. You know, SHIB the fucking
SHIB the Doge clone.
Oh. What is this? NASDAQ is right on the what is this called? EPW MA. And then SPY. Oh, SPY went below it. What is this block tool? I don't even know. I know this from Montana. Yeah.
Think we get an end of day dump? Let's see the 1 minute. What am I looking at? SPY.
He's still talking. How?
Stand up over time. I'm very reluctant to get ahead of the process and
Jesus, look at this Zoom call. Like 200 people.
That's a good question. So, you know, the 5-year review that we do under this unusual provision of law of multiple reserve bank presidents.
It says it's pumping, but it's dumping.
That is really a broad review of their leadership of the institution.
Metal streaming?
And if there were a concern, a public concern or private concern about something that someone would win that day, if there were concerns. You're right though, these
Have you guys looked into metal streaming companies? Katusa teased it in his last video, but you gotta join his newsletter to get his play. $3,000 asshole. Yeah. Yeah,
What
see.
does the metal streaming even mean?
So those guys have been going after metals for like a good couple of months now, right? Like they've been really propping up well, not propping up, but they've just been really bullish on like uranium, commodities in general. I think commodities in general is a good play. I don't know, like, you know, a lot of people confuse just gold as commodities play. I probably wouldn't go all in on gold right now.
No, but uranium.
Yeah, I think uranium is already kind of, it did a pump, didn't it? Did a pretty big pump. Let's take a look. What's the ticker for? Is it URA for uranium? Yeah, Global Uranium ETF. The yellow cake.
I think it's also like it has a thing like gold too. Hold on. So,
let's go to days.
Yeah, it's URA and a bunch of.
Yeah, see, like it's already peak HVP. Hearst is on its way down.
Oh, look at if you click on the right on the dots, something opens and then it says like share. What is it called? Playlist? Watch list, and then you can. This is a new thing. It's
I shared all of my lists, I think.
No, I'm telling Weeba because he has
Oh,
lists.
gotcha.
Yeah. Then you can put it here. But did it publish on your TradingView when you shared, or it was just a link? It's like you share a chart, right? It doesn't go on your TradingView profile.
No, it's just a public link. Like anybody with the link can access it, I think. Yeah, I posted them in Discord.
Yeah.
I think URA is pretty much like done for immediate upside here. There's probably some good long-term plays in it. Pretty bullish. Probably volatility cools. Like this would not be a bad play for theta collection. Probably over the next 30-60 days, but I would wait for this to start cooling first.
Oh, that's how I know about it. Yeah, Tom was short.
Yeah, I would wait for this to start moving down before I layered on any theta positions. Let's see, FNV. Franco-Nevada Corporation.
The other thing you can use is like the ETF database, and you can just go by. Also that money.net has sectors. There's a market map or something, heat map, and then you can sort by sectors or whatever, and then like, you know, and then you can see like what to talk about because you can see it there.
FNV's pretty bearish. I don't know what to say about this. Like below the POVMA. I guess it's cooling on the downtrend. Like I wouldn't be expecting a big move. Let's see what volatility's saying. Volatility's rising. VRT saying pretty random. Maybe the cone would give you an entry here on like a weekly or something.
You should look at the thing that Chris was talking about. Freddie, what is it? Freddie Mac? Yeah, Freddie Mac or something. What was bicep trading? He was good bicep usually trading pennies. Shit.
What the fuck is going on with the cone here? Why is it so?
The cone now has like takes an insane amount of history in. So like.
Oh, it's probably had some like bleed out or something.
If it's.
Oh no, it's just too young. It's too young on the weekly, is what it is. Yeah. No,
also, like, you have the other cones too, right?
Yeah.
This problem. Thanks, bro.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. Yeah.
But that's a chart. Wait, what the hell? Maybe it's my thing. And then you make a copy, I guess.
You can import them.
Oh, you made a whole chart. Oh, I see. No, because it opened on my Edge. I gotta open my Chrome, and then it's fine. Ooh.
Your list is titled royalties. Are you just collecting dividends on all these?
Yo, these people live off dividends, man. That's nice. They were saying there's a Chinese, this Evergrande or whatever.
Yeah.
The guy 9 billion in dividends. Jesus.
Yeah, this is still accelerating to the downside. I'd expect volatility to be kind of picking up. Yeah, Hearst is picking up. I would wait to be buying WPM. Probably around earnings, somewhere around there. Might not be a bad look for it, but you'd have to wait for some of these to at least turn it around if it's a long-term play. I don't know, like I never try to pick the bottom. I don't know if you do, Bali, but like
Bottom?
Yeah, I don't bottom snipe.
Well,
although I did buy Bitcoin at.
I've seen like these TA idiots go, oh, you know, I pick it, and then I'm gonna be wrong, and then one time if it goes, but like it doesn't, you know. But if you're a good bottom picker, it's Marky's a good.
Oh, what's up? Yeah, I did it again, huh?
Oh, Marky's in here. What's up, buddy?
Did it again yesterday. What's up, man?
Who else? When you're not, you ever? Fuck no. Got it.
Let's say you want to buy them all. Would you put more capital in the lower caps, or vice versa, or totally equal division? So, like, how would you weigh a portfolio? If your goal is to make like a higher return over a longer period of time, like if it's not a trade for you, probably the omega ratio is a fantastic tool for weighing all of those out to see like which ones would potentially give you a larger return, and then
omega is now, you go by omega, and then if it's the whole portfolio, it's the thing that Luca made with the mutual information. So you pick the best omega, and then you go, okay, so what has the least mutual information with this? And then the set of those, then you pick the best omega, and then you do it again. Like some of it is out. The omega part is out,
yeah.
Obviously, but the rest of it, because other people have other, but you should really go by mutual information.
And respect
That's coming out. Yeah.
respect the Kelly, because if you're unloading onto one sector, you're essentially going to be making the same bet. Like if you're just trying to buy all uranium stocks with 100% of your portfolio, it's probably gonna fuck you if volatility picks up across the sector, because you're just gonna be similar with everything. So just yeah, mess around with the Kelly.
We also have a beta ready that's with p-value, but and it has like beta. I mean the beta deltas in it too, but again beta's shit. Oh really? A couple times. That's the thing that Luca months so Solana whatever pumped. He told me, he was like, yo, check this shit out. I didn't even believe him, and then fucking pump like crazy.
Our gold. Let's take a look.
What does Marky say? Oh, he's a beauty. Oh, what happened to my wish? Oh, how can it go lower? Come on. Always because it's so fun. Oh Jesus, FTM's pumping again.
Most of these on Weibo's list are very similar looking. Like on some of them the trend is ending, but the volatility is still low. Or
we can have like put on lists, and then like we can just see which ones we can just make one out of it, or just go with the best ones, whatever. Make it easier too.
How young is this thing? Oh, this thing's like way young. Yeah, this is like days. $233 days.
It's not too dark.
I should turn my entropy on. Yeah, like with the GCV, you did get an exit out of the short trade here. I'd be worried about this. Like, this doesn't have to spike to the downside, not by any measure. It could go to the upside, absolutely, but I would sort of wait for some other signal to line that up. Maybe across this if you want to take a chance, maybe across over the POVMA. If this is a long-term hold for you, I'd kind of This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You do you. Smins with 12k incoming. You think so? Smins, man, how long have you been calling for 12k? Like, I know you're messing around, but seriously, wait, do you remember? Do you remember when the 12k meme started?
Gap, bro.
I think it's been years. Where's Batgirl? All gaps need to fill. One gap at 15 cents also. Yeah, man. Peter Show's gonna be excited. Hey BBO Adrian, thanks for the follow, man. Much appreciated.
This is sand of finance. So, yeah, I think I've been along told you to guys.
Big shout out goes to the real Smiths. He's the real professional in this game. Man, this guy, honestly, I've been shorting Bitcoin, you know, since 12k, expecting it to go to 12k, and yeah, I've made lots and lots of losses. It's been great. Big shout out to this guy. Hey, thanks, Adrian. Yeah, these guys have been cranking out tools like crazy. Like, I don't even understand when they have the time for it. But some of the shit they're coming up with, and they're gonna be coming up with. I know Bali's been teasing the Lambda, so it's only getting better and better. They put in work.
Is that the name of your?
I'm not pulling up the monthly stocks on BTC. You can do that yourself if you want to. You fucking guy.
Daniel Lewis here.
Yeah.
Yo, Kirby was man, what happened? With his alligator. Hood is pumping, is coin pumping.
How many more candles we got? Market closes it on the hour, right? Not yeah. So two more 15-minute candles.
Well, yes. Well, 3 minutes and then 2.
Yeah.
And also for the new entropy, new entropy is sort of like the mark where you tell it with the filtering, like when it says 0, it's any move. So we shouldn't have shifted to 0, but like if you put like I don't know, percent in the filtering, if you put 66, that means the entropy moves up to 66%. So if you put 100%, then that's no move.
Right.
If 0, then. But he's doing some update on that, so it's more. If you put 0, it's basically the old entropy. Settings wise. Yes. Yo, Chile was long Tezos, bro. That's why he's MIA and Tezos pumping.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's on a boat. Yeah. Got it right.
Hachan, thank you
How's
for
it?
following, man. Much appreciated.
Kirby said going up. Get the hell out of here. We talking. Kirby said no. Kirby said it's dumping. Yo, Hachan, guy, we're blowing up.
Blowing up.
Oh, he knows about tactic too. Here.
What is Tadik?
It's like here.
It's another one of those words that you guys fuck me with all the time, like
No.
Dekai.
The Persian food. It's like the bottom of the when you're cooking rice at the bottom, it like gets crispy
Yeah.
and it's like tasty. But the Persians love, but the
Ah, gotcha.
water.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Hold on, let me show you a picture.
Yeah, put some Dekai in it.
Ooh, I want one. Christ was what is it? September 20? Yeah, Christ is around. What is he doing?
Oh, that looks
He's
so
in the
good.
news.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Christ was back today, wasn't he? I haven't talked to that kid for so long.
No.
Oh, look at that! Christ is following. Welcome,
Yeah.
Christ. Welcome. Yeah, I honestly think Christ has just been mad at me because I'm way better at him at Counter-Strike.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Was it Dead Face? No, it's not Dead Face. It's something else. Oh, he's there. Dead ass, low key. What was the other one? It's not Dead Face.
Bro, honestly, uninstalling is the way to go. Fortnite, I don't know. We see a lot of scripts. I think like 10 per screen. 30. They're all extremely necessary.
Oh, Deadpan. Yes, I got it. Deadpan. Yes. Great minds. Yo, what's Montana busy with, man? Tether bullshit. BSB.
26 total. I mean, a lot of them will do like the same thing. Marks later, you got all the modes, right? This is kind of the momentum stuff that I used to use. This was like the volatility stuff. This is the moments. The chart, it's got all the new stuff on there right now that we're going through and learning. Last I heard, he might be out of a job because of vax mandate. Oof, rough. You should come to Russia.
Yeah, he's talking about Montana. He didn't even tell me anything. He was shilling. They did some sort of if or something.
Oh, Montana was in Canada, wasn't he? Where was Montana?
No. New York.
Hmm.
Yeah. I told him Montana. It should be like your safe word for like anal. What is that? Bible? What? I thought that was a pig crying. Oh, he is Russian.
Pineapple juice.
Yeah.
Montana. Bit Mouse, thank you for the follow, man. Much appreciated. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah.
Nice. How much you want to bet the volley trader is going to make an appearance?
I hope so.
The volley trader is Krung's fake account.
Soon. That's when we know we've made it. Okay. When all the other people start coming in.
I think like because I had Tone on earlier, we should like fucking because like this is like it fills out time, and they say all this nonsense, and you can
yeah, exactly. Community interactions.
Like they do. Like they have housewives of basketball or whatever.
Just sit around talking shit about each other all day long. Content.
Yeah.
You've been so out of the loop on finance, to be honest. Yeah, dude. Actually, as we go along, like outside of trading hours, my hope is to bring out some finance stuff, to have some interesting people on, hopefully, and talk some stuff.
Right. Also, you were supposed to put, like, we gotta learn the shit. You were gonna put some YouTube links so we can learn some finance.
Yeah.
The MIT stuff, but that's different.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a learning blog. 1 AMA with Bitcoin Poppy. Yeah, I don't know. Is Marky in here? Oh, Marky's on mute. Yeah, exactly. Do like a blog of current events, news, that kind of thing. Do a blog of learning. But that's more so when I go full-time streaming, which is as soon as possible. One question at that.
Yo, we're making history now, man. We're gonna look back. Like, do you remember the second?
Yeah.
Oh,
Seriously, dude.
This asshole. They put him on. What's his name? Knight, the guy who does TA on Tasty. You have to want to be hated. Who comes to like be like, hire me? I'm gonna come piss you off 30 minutes before the close.
But I was just saying I'm here for the hot tub trade stream soon. Soon, bro. We'll get the ASMR trading stream going. We'll get the half naked hot tub stream going. It's gonna be good. We're gonna be pushing the limits on terms of service.
How is Christ doing these? Look at him. This guy, you know who the Zoomer is. How did you do that, bro? Yeah, no, I was before he was.
When deep throat the mic.
No, but no, bro. Yeah, no, I was saying we should have a lead-in. We should go like you guys find these chicks, and then wait till they're done, and then we gotta start like after, because their audience gotta do some shit, you know.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. The chick probably is trading Bitcoin too. Remember yo, there was one on Twitter that's like a huge hua, and then I fucking messaged her. I'm like, you know what, be funny. Nobody expects you to do any math, because she was doing TA. Like she was the only candidate. And then I was like, yo, you know what'd be hilarious, bitch? She did some math. And then she was into it a little bit, but then I don't think she was. One of them's still here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one of these Twitter dots. Yes. But trout, I know I used to say trout, and trout is Urban Dictionary. Look at you. What is that? Meme rate, yo. This is
Twitter tots. It sounds like tater tots. It literally sounds.
Bro, this is my entire it's been a year now. I want to do a face palm on Twitch, and I can't. And this motherfucker, look at it. Do you bring your own things? It's like
so there's this thing. I think it's called like better Twitch emotes or what? Am I right? There's like a whole set of emotes that you can have. It's like a plugin.
He's invested, bro.
Better TTV, I think. Yeah.
Busted.
In coach suspended from stream.
Yeah. Oh, except shit. What's up, man? I was just gonna say you're such a hashgraph shield between you. All you do is hashgraph. Oh my God! To get these dumb things is $6 a month. Subscribe to what is that?
No, that's something else.
Yeah, but who is that? Is that?
Oh, those are emotes from his other subs. So Christ must have subbed to some other channels, and then they had emotes and shit. Yeah.
Oh shit. Weebos, you know who else is into this shit? Coach, what happened with you, man? Oh, he's not here?
No, well he's banded.
No, but he was just still on the Discord, I thought.
Oh, I think he just went out. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Because we forgot we were supposed to go raid his shit and then. No. Because we're supposed to get D-Man over. Now we feel bad to D. He's just there staring at the wall.
He just posted.
In kosher, yes. Yo, did this guy finish talking?
Eat Meats, thank you for the follow, man. Much appreciated. Welcome. Welcome.
Oh, he meets. Yo, what happened with Katie? Katie? What's her name? Collab with D-Man. Yeah, the green wheat, the cutting edge and Mossberg Yo, what's they saying? So out of it, man. VIX is down 13% today.
Yeah, VIX is down.
I was short. I didn't fucking get any money.
I think we're basically gonna close like this. I don't think anything else is gonna happen. But this is gonna be pretty interesting for tomorrow.
If you rehearse 5 minutes,
Yeah.
it's a good move on all of them.
On the SPY, or on what?
All the indices. The her simple.
Yeah.
Have like an old chart. Her simple, like, Nasdaq, even go.
Let's see.
So
SP 500. Good now.
5 minutes, yeah. Might be brought tool to the outside. Please. Oh.
Yeah, it crossed over.
Wait, did it? No. Hers the simple, the other indicator. Remember I told you I used both of them?
Yeah.
Simple is like, what is this one saying in the 5 minutes?
This one's saying it crossed back over to the upside here, just back testing a little bit. A vol's pretty high on the 5 minute.
But that is, that's not so significant.
It's bearish. Tastewack, welcome. Thank you for the follow, man. Much appreciated.
Yeah. Where's the skate? Give me 45. Well, who has 45 minutes, bro? we gotta get that bot because like that's the. Tell them they need an hour. They're like these chicks. Guess what?
Give me 45 minutes, 15 minutes before the market close. VXN dropped off too. Let's take a look at VXN. This is the NAS volatility. Let's look at daily. Yeah, so very similar stance to the VIX. I think tomorrow is going to be like you see it back testing the POVMA, and essentially with like the Nasdaq on the daily also moving back up to the POVMA. The thing I would be worried about here is that we still have pretty low HVP readings. What am I on NAS? On the daily and still expanding. VRT is saying this is a pretty good place to trade. So for me, I would stick to the short until kind of told otherwise. I'm not suggesting anybody short. Tastewack, thanks man, much appreciate you streaming. Thank you, much appreciate you guys joining in. It makes it a lot more fun. So yeah, I'd wait for some things to kind of turn them back around. But you might have a different opinion on that. Let's see, where did my cone go? That's where it went. 15. Your stream sucks. Thanks, man.
Who is that?
He's like, much appreciated your streaming. Ski, your stream sucks. Oh, it's it's fucking Marky. Yeah, Marky today told me my stream channel name is shitty, calculating wealth, and I was getting mad at him for it today. It was between that and Prestige Worldwide, okay, and I just thought this name would be better.
International Globe. Well played. When you pull this thing out, I just, yo, I wanted to. Yes, well played. What is this? You know what's even worse? I was subbed to up only. While I was banded, but they were charging me.
Yeah, Amazon's pretty good at that.
Look at you. Look at why you gotta be so weird, bro? What is this? Oh, this is a Inkosh is back. Inkosh is like a he's like a spam. He's like a pop-up app from comes in with like news you don't want to read.
And
it's like link, bro. Link. Yeah.
Man, I feel like scammers are in every industry though.
Yeah.
Dude had millions worth of NFTs still on. Oof. Well, I'm sure they'll be worth pennies tomorrow. Yeah, probably some social engineering.
Oh, yeah, it's all happened on Discord, yeah.
First support to stop one person from stealing his shit, then posted a screenshot with QR codes to his other stuff, so they stole it all. Oof.
Yo, they probably had a party afterwards too.
Yeah, probably. Look at all these pictures we copied. Oh, let's see, soon after he was scammed, he tweeted out a single word, fuck. Yeah. Yeah, man, we're streaming 1440p. HD, bro. I want to see rates. $3D God is now following. Welcome, 3D God. Thanks for the follow, man.
Make sure it's not in the ICO. I'm from the psych ward, bro. Well, when
Yeah, the PEP's giving you yellow still. This could get quite spicy actually on the rates. Momentum's moving up. You have QCV crossover. Let's see if this turns blue. If this starts going down, that's going to be a pretty good sign. It might be a little bit late for an entry at that point, but you are getting out of bounds on moments, so probably back down for the time being. But this is kind of looking good. Let's see if the reverse RSI has anything to say. Yeah, on the 50 line or in the midline there. And Vol's still cooling. Yeah, Peter Schiff's gonna be so mad if TLT goes up.
Peter Schiff. Yo, he's all bullshit kid. He probably got his kid to be into Bitcoin. And, you know, let's have a thing. Because who else cares?
You think they're running a scam? Like one of the, like it's like all coordinated and shit?
Of course. Like why wouldn't he? Like, he's one of these guys that went to Puerto Rico. He was before the storm. You gotta go for all these. Not all. A lot of hedge funds left for there, and then it's like the storm came, and then yeah.
It's good cop, bad cop. It's true.
No, you know, it's all fun and games until you fucking real shit in Puerto Rico, and then they're throwing you to paper towels.
Yeah, I mean, Schiff from like a moral perspective, like I know he's like a libertarian and shit, and I agree with that. But like all the shit he's shilling is so silly sometimes. He's just stubborn, is what it is. He's just extremely stubborn in extremely stupid ways. I feel like.
But I think that's big, like, because it's like the gold guy is never like he's the gold guy.
Right.
They're, you know, it's like these. I was telling Montana, like, who was, like, just now it happened to it with, who's the football player that's the greatest one? The quarterback, whatever. He's like,
Tom Brady?
Like they have like, fans. Like, a lot of time, like, who's a good example? I don't know. Let's say, Kobe and Shaq or whatever. And then, like, their contract's over. Shaq goes to the rival team. He doesn't give two shits. It's just about who pays him more.
All right.
So like the fans pay to be, as a fan, you have to pay to be a fan. It's not shit, and you care more than they do. So like it's the same thing.
Yeah, Christ. Schiff on the Wall Street thing when he went when they were protesting the Wall Street shit, and he did that interview.
So there are people who are into his shit more than he is.
Yeah.
Like he's right, but like some people are bugs, but he's like.
No, but like his politics are pretty good though, right? Like in terms, like he's all for like freedom and shit, and like leave the people alone. Like
for the because the Occupy Wall Street is a bunch of Inco.
Yeah. Yeah, that video got me too, man. That video got me too. Eat Meats, Schiff on Vlad TV. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a longer video. Okay, I'm gonna watch this after the podcast. Or after the stream.
Yo. There's this other guy on a different Discord wants to debate TA. Yo.
Yeah?
It's like,
today?
You know, because I heard her voice like some other time, and he's like one of these guys that's like, you just don't understand, and
Yeah, okay.
I could just like yell at him over the.
We're gonna get banned, dude.
But then he muted me last night.
Bring them on and take my energy.
Oh Jesus!
And that's the sound of the market close. Alright, where did we close? Yeah, about the same. No sell-off for end of day. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Very interested to see if the HVP continues to rise here with a negative correlation there on price. I'm curious to see if we get follow through to the downside. We might get some bullshit in the open, like we saw on this day, I think, where we started the day up and then came back down throughout the day. So just be aware of that. The first hour is pretty volatile. Yeah, VRT is still going. So it should be an interesting close to the week. The weekly close is going to be pretty huge from the POV MA perspective. Let's just take that off for a second. You know, if we close below it, that might set up some downside on the weekly going forward. Although the weekly volatility is still cooling, so yeah, we might get a longer period of just kind of in this range. But we'll have to wait and see for that. You should go to our stocks and pull one of those TAREs. There's even worse than crying shit. Yeah, dude. But honestly, with some of them, it's like not even a point of debating them because you know they're just not even gonna try and argue with you. They're...
From I know him from the other day, and he like, but I don't think there's like 200 people there.
Right.
And I can't message him, so let's see. This is what is it's like a public Discord. I don't even know like what is it like maybe it's from Reddit.
Yeah, in Kosha, we're gonna wrap up the stream just for you, man, so that you can go look at some ASMR streamers with Poppy there. Let's just quickly review Bitcoin a little bit here, up to 43,409. I've almost broken even on my entry from a couple of days ago, I think at 43.5. I took a tiny position there, well not tiny, 10% of the account position there for longer term. I am going to be entering into the crypto market out of the traditional market to bring you guys some more trades. We'll be doing some shorter term stuff, trying to get occurrences, show you guys how all of that is going to be working. Yeah, and so hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. I think we're going to wrap it up here. Bali, how do you feel about that?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, good to go. Hopefully next time we'll have a guided debate on here as well, get some entertainment for you guys. Yeah, thank you guys for joining. We enjoyed it a lot, and we hope you did too. Have a good night, guys.
We accepted my French. All right, great.